Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix your subtitles on Crunchyroll. If you're having trouble with your subtitles on Crunchyroll, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your Crunchyroll app and then click on the anime you are watching. Then go to your settings, click on settings, and then you'll see the options like autoplay, audio, subtitles, quality, report a problem. Now you are going to fix your subtitles, so go ahead and click on the option of subtitles and then click on the first option, which was English. So now while you are watching anime, you can easily see the subtitles and you can understand it better. So I hope this helped you get back your subtitles. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.